This video lesson, we're going to take a look at a two-step equation where we're trying to solve for x. And we also notice that our x here is being divided by 11, so we have kind of a fraction. So let's follow our rules for solving equations in order to solve this. The first thing we need to do is we're trying to get x by itself or isolate the variable. So we have this plus 43. So let's go ahead and get rid of the 43 over here. How do we get rid of a 43? Well, we're going to subtract 43 from both sides. Okay? When we subtract 43 from both sides, we're going to end up with negative x over 11 on the right side. Okay, we just bring this down because this part canceled. This part went away. And then on the left side here, 47 minus 43, well, that just leaves us with 4. So our equation would say equals 4, okay? Now, this is a little tricky. We have this negative x divided by 11 equals 4. Okay, well, when your variable is being divided by a number, you do the opposite. The opposite of dividing by 11 is to multiply by 11. And then we multiply both sides by 11. Now, when we multiply the right side by 11, these 11s kind of cancel each other out because 11 divided by 11 is 1, and all we're left with on the right side is negative x equals. Well, on the left side, we have 4 times 11, which is 44. Well, we almost have our answer, but it says negative x equals 44. Of course, we want to know what positive x is. Well, all we have to do now is divide. It's kind of like your variable is being multiplied by negative 1. So we divide by negative 1. And here, a negative x divided by a negative 1 is actually positive x, because a negative divided by a negative equals positive. And on the left side, 44 divided by negative 44, 44 divided by negative 1 is negative 44. So x equals negative 44. And you can always check your work and just plug that in here. That would say negative of negative 44 divided by 11. Well, 44 divided by 11 is 4, and 4 plus 43 is 47.